This video will show you how to download and install EndNote X9 on your Mac. To get started, go to the Dana Medical Library homepage located at dana.uvm.edu. From there, click on the Research link in the menu bar and then click on Research Guides. Now scroll down and click on the guide called EndNote, and then click on the blue Download button. Next, type in your UVM NetID and password, and then click the Login button. After a few seconds, the Software Download Archive page will open. Click on the Macintosh OS X link, and then scroll down to the EndNote section. The Mac version of EndNote requires a product key, which can be found by clicking the Here link. Copy and paste that product key into a Word document so that you can retrieve it later. Now click on the green Download EndNote Now button. The software should start downloading after a few seconds. If it doesn't, click the URL as instructed on the screen. After the file has finished downloading, click the Downloads icon in the dock to see the EndNote file. You can also click on the Finder icon and then click on Downloads to view the EndNote file as well. Next, double-click the EndNote file and then click the Install EndNote X9 icon. Click the Open button if prompted, and then click the Install button. Please note that the amount of time required to install the program will vary depending on your computer's configuration. Click the Next button after the EndNote Installer program opens. You will then be prompted to enter in your product key. Toggle back to the document where you saved the key earlier and copy and paste it into the box on the screen. Now click the Next button. You will then be asked for additional information. Type your name in the first box and University of Vermont in the second box, and then click the Next button. Now click the I accept the license agreement option and click the Next button for one last time. Finally, click the Done button to finish the installation process. After it's over, EndNote will automatically open and you can start using the program. You should also open up Microsoft Word and confirm that the Cite While You Write plugin has been installed. Simply open up a new Microsoft Word document and click on the EndNote X9 tab. If this tab isn't visible, please contact the library at dana.uvm.edu/help/ask. A librarian will be happy to assist you.